Achoo! Achoo! Hey guys, it's Sunskriti and I'm back with another video. For this week's video, I'm going to be doing types of sneezes, as you all might have already said by the title. So, Cascade just got over yesterday and I took a holiday from school today, so I have time to film. So I'm really glad that I do, and I'm gonna not blabber too much and start now. Sunskriti's great YouTube video. The first type of sneeze that I have for you guys is the buy one get one free one. So basically, you know, when you sneeze and then you don't ask for another sneeze but it comes anyway. Achoo! Achoo! The second type of sneeze that I have for you guys is the contagious sneeze. So like, you know, you sneeze and your friend sneezes and you sneeze again and your friend sneezes. Achoo! 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 Okay man, stop. Okay, I'll stop. Achoo! The third type of sneeze that I have for you guys is the period sneeze. So obviously only girls can relate to this. So you know, when we're on a period, like especially if it's the first day or the second day and we sneeze, it's a disaster, big mess. Achoo! The fourth type of sneeze is the stereotypical sneeze. So you know, like a normal sneeze. Achoo! The fifth type of sneeze is the oh god sneeze. So you know, the sneeze that just doesn't stop and it just keeps coming and coming and coming. Achoo! 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 Oh my god! Achoo! 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 Oh my god, when will it stop? So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, press the thumbs up button. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve. And I already, if you all have any suggestions, please let me know. And if you are not subscribed, subscribe please. It feels good. And yeah, bye for now.